Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to play with all teams in eFootball 2024. So we have two ways here on how you can play all teams. First one is by going to Authentic Team Match. So basically, you just need to tap on this Authentic Team Match right here at the bottom left of your screen. Now here, what you're going to do is tap this trial match right here at the right side. And if you tap on this trial match, basically you just need to choose here your home team, Europe, North and Central America, South America, and Asia, Oceania. So for example, here we have some teams from Asia, and you can go to Europe and you'll find some teams here. So basically select one of the team that you want to play with the eFootball. Now let's take a look at the second way to play all teams in eFootball by going to your training. So just tap on the extras and tap on training, and here tap on free training, and basically go to practice match. Now here you can play with different teams, or you want to change it, just tap on the pause icon right there at the top right corner. And currently I'm playing with France and England, so basically if you want to change this team, tap on home. And basically right here you can select any team that you want to play. For example, we have Africa. We have also some national teams here that you can choose from. You can also select here, for example, once you go to this USL Championship, you'll find all the teams from this USL. Same with the away team. You can also select which team do you want to play in, or do you want to choose as an opponent. Now I would like to choose another team here. I want to go on Europe and go to Spanish League. And here I want to select FC Barcelona. And once you've done, as you can see now, I'm playing with another team. So that's all. That's how you basically play all teams in eFootball 2024 in mobile. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.